I'm telling you, yeah.
Yeah. What do you reckon?
Imagine if I gave Shaylee my spot. I would have been able to see this. I can't lie, yeah. You see the air. It's different from the city. It's different.
In a second, you'll see through the
Does it feel as
island,
heavy?
and in the background, you're going to see Stockholm Island.
The little one in the end, fam. You have to make yourself.
It's lovely. I ain't even gonna lie. I needed this this time.
You know, like that. You needed it. Needed it. Needed it.
Look at it. I know. Let me go back to that. Right. You don't get this and
I feel like when we think about nature, we mostly think about like forests and stuff. We think about the ocean. I think people have never really been like at the ocean or in the sea or on a boat ride to see something like so beautiful in the UK, but people think it's just ugly and dreary. But I think it's ugly and dreary most of the time.
What do you mean? I'm cooking this. It's almost finished. Come out the kitchen. Come out the kitchen. Come out the kitchen. Come out the kitchen. Come out the kitchen.
Jump in my head again. Jump in my head again.
Oi, sit down. Sit down.
They be like, what? 5 days, 4 nights, I'm in Wales.
Respect each other, respect yourselves, respect the land we're on, and we're all good. 20 minutes, we'll eat dinner.
So today we are here with Mark doing a workshop on like cameras and videography and documentary stuff, but they've been really annoying.
The blue bit is what's in focus. Playboy advert, bro. What's going on?
have this guy. Don't you dare film me. Film me and I'm filming you.
Why is it just in my face? What's wrong with you?
We see each other in the flesh every day, but how much do we actually ask questions to each other and find out about what someone's learned from something that they've been through? You could ask them normally, and maybe you will, but I'm trying to tell you that if you take this opportunity to hold a camera and have a reason to ask someone questions, it can be an interesting way to find out a little slice of someone else's experience.
How's life?
Life's good. No, literally. Life's good.
What's the best thing about life?
The best thing about life is music.
Should be family.
Why?
Because that's all you have.
No, family is something I happen to have. Music is something I choose to have.
Okay, so
Hold on. Let's get this angle. I don't really like talking to people sometimes. Like I feel like you get nervous talking to people. When you have cameras, you have an excuse, right? I just like seeing people reflect on the questions and really think about their answers, because like people realize that when they're on camera, really thinking about the answer because they want to define themselves in the right way.
Hi. What's your name?
Andre.
Name?
Andre.
How come you want to work with kids?
Why do I want to work with kids? I don't know. I kind of see some of the experiences I have, I kind of want them to experience similar or the same thing.
I found this.
Oh.
Yes.
That's what we done.
This is gonna break.
It ain't gonna break. I climbed it.
Ah!
Why would you just step into it?
Literally.
Why would you just step into it?
Why not go for it?
I'm not into taking off my shoes and socks and going in reverse. It's just so easy just to do that.
It's just a bit dirty, relax. It's fine.
Wait, can you do the same slider?
Do that way. There.
You guys aren't careful enough. Let me get it. Don't take off your socks.
No, where am I?
Just about.
how did you get into youth work?
I was a teacher for a while, and most of the stuff they were doing in class was boring and uninspiring. And especially a lot of kids from my background, like black kids, basically, I just realized that they weren't getting opportunities. And I thought it would be a really cool thing to give them some cool experiences like you guys are getting.
I see why you didn't want me to put it down to 1% without moving it along.
Yeah.
Because it makes it longer.
Control Z is your best friend, because you'll always mess something up, do something weird, press Control Z and you get back to where you were.
It's such a really pretty shot.
Of the fire?
Yeah, and you like put wood in it.
I guess my hand is like a silhouette against the fire.
Yeah, it is.
So that's helps to create that depth that we're talking about.
It's like it's for a movie. It could literally be an advert. That's how cool it is.
It's so satisfying, isn't it, when you use the camera like that, and it just looks even better than the human eye can see it.
Yeah, innit?
Just keep on top of it, secure.
Yeah, turn it down.
So you don't park and...
He just put a lot of egg, like a lot of egg.
And a lot of butter.
It's the butter.
I've never cooked scrambled egg on this capacity, so this is kind of new to me.
Guys, I'm famous. This is my dream come true. Yeah, give me a minute to save this. Okay, my name is Shadia and I am 15 years old. Been in the city all year. Time to get out. But also, I nearly drowned last year.
This time last year.
Hey, everything you're wearing floats, so as long as you can do this, you'll be fine.
But I can swim. I'm
the new girl.
Tom Daly, that's his name.
She's being reborn, rebirthed in the water. Yeah?
Mermaid. Make it a mermaid.
Get to know.
Have you guys done coastal room before?
Yeah.
Jumping in?
Yeah. Jumping in? I'm not jumping off heights. I don't do heights. Don't be a pussy. Jump in, don't be a pussy.
I think there'll be some jumping in, compulsory jumping in.
Don't be a pussy, fam.
When I was on that kayak, I thought I was gonna die. Like, if I died right now, I would be happy because I haven't made my mark on the world yet.
Never take L's no more. I don't take L's no more. It's all about L's. I get win. I get win. Them man they try see me drown. Them man they try see me drown. Man just never see me go sing. Man just never see me go sing. Man just full about all the Them man there wanna see me drown. Them man there wanna see me drown.
Come on, man, you ready?
Listen.
Viral moments.
Listen.
Can put this on YouTube one day, make some money.
Oh, it's got dye in its neck rolls.
What is it?
No.
Mark.
I think it's giving references, penis.
Oh yeah, because no, it wouldn't be giving fair. I think it's just a penis.
Mark, I think it's a penis. I think we're looking at a penis. I think.
Andre, it's not birth, it's a penis. It's a penis. Maximus is a common seal. Last year he got married to his 10th wife.
He's a bad man.
And
bad man, jealous.
And he's quite famous.
Jealous.
And Maximus is a bad boy. And he's in fights all the time. And the girls love a bad boy. And he's been up on the rocks here, laying there. And two girls were actually fighting over him while he was just laying there.
Yeah.
Nah.
What do you want out of this trip? Like,
New experiences, new stories to tell. I like telling stories.
They're very curious about everything, and they'll be looking at you.
Nadia, what are you doing?
I'm putting on a life jacket because I'm too young to die. And this don't look very safe to me.
That
the light.
is where the waves will reach. Now you're all thinking, why? Well, I want you all to look over to the right-hand side. You're just about 10 foot. So if you reintroduce them, it's going to take a long time. It's actually done hundreds of years ago. And 2,000 years ago, there was trees.
I'm out on a boat.
I can give you an example of the problem we got.
First time on a boat. I'm actually on a boat.
And in the 19...
Always bring in your family where you are and don't lie to them. Let them know how life feels. If it's rough or not, let them know.